Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, namhlanje nginiphathele indaba ezimnandi. Ngilithwarele indaba zemunati. So, our favorite couple, Shandesh and Mimi, have just hit a brand new chapter in their lives. Yes, you heard that right. They are now officially parents. Parents to not one, but two baby boys. Can you believe this? Kodwa ngiyayibelieve vele mfethu. Ukuthi ngempela vele guys. You know, we've seen their love story. We've seen them surprise each other in the sweetest ways. And now life has blessed them with the joy of raising not one but two little ones. This is such a huge milestone, and honestly, I couldn't be happier for them. But wait, Iman, before you start shopping for baby clothes and riddles, let me clarify something. Their baby boys are not human babies. Nope. Shandesh and Mimi are now parents to two adorable, fluffy, playful puppies. That's right. They've just welcomed two little fur babies into their family. And honestly, they are just as precious, just as demanding, and just as lovable as any newborns.
Babe. Ciao, baby. Baby boy, mfethu. Vinela bayini mfethu. Shibala, vinela bayini mfethu. Okay now, ringa rumela modimo location.
Wabon? Watoma
ate namo domudi. Tell. Ya, changwana ka manyana.
Nandibusathelile.
Okay now, ringa rumela modimo location.
No wayimelela.
Kwena asin domudi la passport. Bobona baboji ene gigele mile gongong. Nala mazulu ri atwana. Ya changwana ka. Ene gile mu wile. Ka nala mposatirata. Rojeba.
Baby la
Karna. Oh sorry. Lele bella por nana ya ngwana. Sorry. Rojeba.
Aveva bora straight.
Bye bye guys, until next time. Let me love and leave you guys. Bye. Shimani Rojiba Wanya join on just straight.
Baby, don't tell her it's you.
Me.
Baby. Beza. Wait. High five. High five, Bisha. High five, Beza. Ana tawa baka ba
Salala boys.
Jimmy, the whole day.
How's Gucci guys?
The whole
Still alive. The
whole
whole
day.
Bishop still alive.
Well, taba tula dijo eh.
Oh, ngwana ka ra ntshanya just. Kega na mumfethu. Like what platform is this? I don't know the difference. Duh. Shimani?
Oh, ribasa se to mogadi.
Una ta carpet.
Una ka
Una
mna.
go iloma pela a ko texture wala feta.
Loma Louis Vuitton ngwana ka nya just straight.
No man to utikile so.
Oh no, Patricia.
And I don't have to do a because in trade like that is carpet. You find the pile, you need double, you know, little blanket.
Hey, I'm going to tell me the baby in face.
Rata mai.
Don't last straight.
You've made it to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandy, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye-bye, ngiyakuthanda.